So welcome to this session. Today we will be discussing generating functions, what are generating functions and how to create simple generating functions for examples. So let's get started. So if fx equal to a0 plus a1x up to an x raised to n, that is summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar x raised to r, then fx is called an ordinary generating function for the sequence ar. And you know that by Maclaurin's expansion, if fx equal to f0 plus x into f dash 0 plus x squared by 2 factorial into f double dash 0 and so on, that is summation r equal to 0 to infinity rth derivative of f at 0 by r factorial into x raised to r, then fx is a generating function for the sequence ar, where ar is rth derivative of f with respect to at 0 by r factorial. So basically fx is a generating function for the coefficients of x, and this holds for any infinitely differentiable function fx. Now note that if fx is a generating function for an and gx is a generating function for the sequence bn, then pfx plus qgx will be a generating function for the sequence pan plus qbn. And if fx is a generating function for the sequence an, then x into f dash x will be a generating function for the sequence nan. So xf dash will be the generating function for nan. So coming to a few simple problems. Find the sequence generated by 3 plus x the whole cubed. So we have 3 plus x the whole cubed is 3 cubed. Take out the 3 into 1 plus x by 3 the whole cubed. We are taking out 3 here and we are using the binomial expansion of a plus b the whole cubed. So this will be 27 into 1 plus 3c1, that is 3 into x by 3, plus 3c2 into x by 3 squared plus x by 3 cubed. So that is 21 plus 27 into 1 plus x plus 3c2 is 6 and 3c2 is 3. So 3 gets cancelled with a 9 here and you get x squared by 3 and plus x cubed by 27. So if you multiply this, you get 27 plus 27x plus 9x squared plus x cubed. So the generating sequence generated by this 3 plus x the whole cubed is 27, 27, 9, 1 and the rest are all 0, 0. Why do we write 0, 0 here? Because there is nothing after x cubed. Coming to the next question, find the sequence generated by 2x squared into 1 minus x whole raised to minus 1. So this is 2x squared into 1 by 1 minus x, that is 2x squared into 1 plus x squared and so on, because you have learned that 1 by 1 minus x is nothing but 1 plus x squared and so on. So we can write this as 2x squared plus 2x cubed and 2x raised to 4 and so on, and there is no term in x, so 0 into x, the constant term is also 0. So the sequence generated will be 0, 0, 2, 2, 2 and dash, dash, dash. Why do we write 2 zeros here? To compensate for the constant term, the coefficient and the term in x. Coming to the next question, find the sequence generated by 1 plus 3x whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Again, using the binomial expansion, this will be 1 plus minus 1 by 3 c1 into 3x plus minus 1 by 3 c2, that is minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 3x the whole squared plus minus 1 by 3 c3, that is minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 factorial 3x the whole cubed and so on. So when you simplify, you get 1 minus x plus this becomes minus 1 by 3 into minus 4 by 3. What will be 3x the whole squared? 9x squared by 2 factorial plus minus 1 by 3 into minus 4 by 3 into minus 7 by 3 into 27x cubed by 6, because 3 factorial is 6. So simplifying, you get 1 minus x plus 4 by 2 factorial x squared minus 28 by 3 factorial x cubed and so on. So the sequence generated will be 1 minus 1 4 by 2 factorial minus 28 by 3 factorial and so on. You can also write the numbers as it is instead of writing it in this form. Coming to the next question, find the generating function for e raised to 2x plus 3x cubed. Now e raised to 2x will be 1 plus 2x raised to 1 by 1 factorial plus 2x the whole squared by 2 factorial plus 2x the whole cube by 3 factorial and so on. Because what is the expansion of e raised to x? 1 plus x raised to 1 by 1 factorial plus x squared by 2 factorial plus x squared by 3 factorial and so on. So 3x cubed plus e raised to 2x becomes 1 plus 2x by 1 factorial plus 4x squared by 2 factorial plus 2 cubed by 3 factorial plus 3 into x cubed plus 2x raised to 4 by 4 factorial. So the sequence so what are we doing? We are grouping 3 with the term in x cubed. So the sequence generated will be 1, 2 by 1 factorial, 2 squared by 2 factorial, 3 plus 2 cubed by 3 factorial, 2 raised to 4 by 4 factorial and so on. We could also write it directly. So we have learned the basic concept of generating functions and how to generating functions for certain simple functions. Thank you.